Hi there, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a navigation bar with a drop-down menu using only HTML and CSS. First, if you are new here, in this channel I want to help you improve your coding skills so that you can earn more money. I post new videos every single day, so if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon so that you won't miss any of them. Now let's dive right in. First, you need to create a folder, and I already have it right here, drop down menu, and I have an image folder inside with an image. Now I'm gonna go to my code editor, which in my case is brackets, and open that folder. Go to desktop, right there. Okay. Now let's create our files. First index.html, and let's create a style.css. Let's go to basic structure, give it a title. Let's link the two files using the link element, style.css, and let's get started. First, I'm gonna use a nav element. I'm gonna place a UL here, li, and use a link, copy it a few times, home, about, services, and contact. First of all, I better show you how it's gonna look like. Let me go right here. This is what we're gonna create, you see, and this one has another drop-down menu right here. Okay, let's go back to our editor, and right here I'm gonna place another UL, item 1, item 2, and in here I'm gonna place yet another UL and another sub item 1, sub item 2, sub item 3. Okay, that's our basic HTML structure. Let's go ahead and style. First, let's open this in the browser and let's see how it looks like. Okay, we have some styling to do. Let's go to style.css and let's get started. First, some general styling. Margin 0, padding 0. Give it a font size of 15 pixels. Font family Arial, Helvetica, and sans serif. Let's put the background image, and we're gonna use a linear gradient to make it darker. So linear gradient, RGBA 0, 0.6, an opacity of 0.6, and the same here. Now URL, img landscape.jpg. Let's see. Okay, let's give it some excuse me, background size, cover, background position, center, color, FFF. We should put the height 100 VH, and let's put a semicolon, and overflow hidden. Okay, here's our list, and we're gonna need to start styling it. So UL, first let's give it a margin 0, padding 0. Now let's create a navbar. Height 50 pixels, background color 333. Okay. Now let's remove the, let's use nav ul, list style none. Now let's get inside the list. Nav ul li, background color 333, width 150 pixels, border left 1 pixel solid white, and the same on the right side. Okay. Height 50 pixels, line height 50 pixels, text align, let's put it in center, float left, give it a white color, font size 19 pixels, position relative. Let's take a look. Okay, not too bad. We're gonna need to access the links to actually style the text color and the text decoration, to remove that line underneath it. Actually okay, color white. For some reason it doesn't want to remove it. Oh yeah, I need to put the A here, right, sorry. As you can see, the underline is gone and the text is now white. Okay. Now I'm gonna give this a background when hovered. I hover, background color, we're gonna use 87C 4ED. Let's look. Right, this one right here. Moving on, let's create a drop-down menu. Nav ul display none. It's hidden at first, right? And nav ul li hover. When I hover over this one, I want the child list to be displayed. Display block. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, it's working well. Partially, we need to put this sub item menu, but we're gonna take a look at that in a second. Okay, nav ul margin left 150 pixels, top 0, and position absolute. Okay, as you can see, it's okay now. Let's move on. Nav ul display none, important. Okay, nav ul li hover ul display block important. And let's take a look. As you can see, now it's working properly. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna leave the source code. I'm gonna leave a link to the source code in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and it has provided value to you, be sure to like it. Comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for the next video. I post new videos every single day, so go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you won't miss any of them. And that's all. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.